What's up guys, I'm Han. Today I'm going to show you guys how to front flip. So before you try this guys, make sure you guys warm up and make sure you guys do it somewhere safe like a gym where you have mats or sand, somewhere that's soft so you don't get hurt before trying outside. So I'm going to show you guys one real fast and we'll get started right away. Okay, that's a front flip guys, let's get started. The first step is getting a running up, you know. You don't have to sprint, I mean it's all how you're comfortable, you know. You can do a normal run up or you can sprint, you know, which is normal if you're just starting out. You can just get running up, get used to it. After the run up, the second step is the little punch, the little hop, and you have your hands up, both your hands up, right here, over your head, so like this. Run up, then just get a little punch, hop. You're gonna have your feet, you want to kind of do a punch, have your feet kind of up, a little forwards, or ahead of you, so you have that block, so standing straight up. And you have your hands up like this. Third step after that, after you do a little punch, now it's just jumping. You want to jump up and out that way. Not forward, or you can go up and out. Or you just jump straight up. So, you're going to run, punch, throw your hand up, and jump up that way. So you're going to throw your hand up and around like a scoop. So right when you jump up and throw your hand up and around at the same time, the next thing is the tucking. So I'm always looking at the ground, even when I run, you can go straight. So after you jump up that way, up and that way, or straight up, you throw your hand up and around, it's a tucking. You're gonna grab your knees in the middle of it, guys. Bring them up, bring your knees up, grab it. You wanna have your chin to your chest. You never wanna have your neck or your chin up. It's not a front handspring, you know. That's gonna help you rotate faster. So you're gonna scoop at the same time, tuck, have your chin to your chest like this. Then after that, when you get the tucking, it's a landing. So let's go over the steps. You're gonna run, do a little punch, have your hands up, throw your hands up down, like scoop, tuck. Now it's a landing. You're gonna release when you see the ground. You can't really see the ground for a front flip. It's all about the feel for this one too. Some moves you can see, some moves you can't. You release, land the ball, your feet, always, never on your flat-footed heels. Now your knees slightly bent so it doesn't hurt. You look on the ground, you should land nice and sweet, like I said. Drills you can practice in the gym is like this. Just go forward. Some of it for like progressions, you know. Wherever you're comfortable or you feel safe, you know. I'll demonstrate one last time, guys. Alright, that's how front flip. Hopefully that helped you guys out. I'll see you guys next time.